Hello, we're back to the iWave today. This is because last week I discovered something about it I didn't know when I was setting up for a customer, and that is you can simply flip between TIG mode and MIG mode by simply pressing the torch button. So TIG, MIG, TIG, MIG. Right, so we're just going to do a quick demonstration. I'm going to do a couple of tacks on a bit of stainless steel. And then we're going to go in and do a little bit of TIG on the outside corner. And then finish it off with a little bit of fillet welding with the MIG. Simple as that.